Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can design a beautiful sidebar by using Bootstrap 3. And here actually in my previous video I already make two video on Bootstrap 4 and this video on Bootstrap 3 actually. Here you can see it's a very normal website and very basic one, and when you click on this button, when you hover in this button to change the color also, and when you click on it you can see some sidebar, and when you hover on that menus items actually you can see some beautiful effect. The background color get expanded in 100% from 0 to 100 like that. Okay, and here I give one submenu also, and this is totally totally responsive. And as you can see, when you just minimize it, you can see it's totally you can see it's totally responsive. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, and like that. Okay, so back in code, and just request you please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video please like and share this video. I'll keep all this link in my video description in my Google Drive. I will upload all the code. From there you can directly download all the code and you can practice it. Okay, thank you. So let's come back to my code editor. Here you can see I take a simple HTML5 document here, and now I have to edit it. Now I have to link up that Bootstrap 3 JS and CSS file. So here I am opening that Bootstrap 3 official website, and from here you have to click in this get started button. If you click in this get started, you can see some CND links is there, and you have to link up with your original file. Okay, so let's link up the CSS, and here let's open that, and after this meta tag let's connect it. And here I also need that font awesome CSS also. Okay, because I want that font awesome icon also, because you can see this is my this is that font awesome icon. Actually this toggle icon is the font awesome icon. Okay, so that is that font awesome CDN. Okay, from that you have to copy it. So okay, let's take a custom CSS also. So right click, new file, style.css. Okay, and let's link up it as well. Style.css. okay, and let's come down in the body, and here I have to add that Bootstrap 4 JS and one custom JS file as well. Okay, so here you can get that Bootstrap 4 JS CNDs also. You need this two. Okay, this is the CSS, and you need this two JS as well. This is the Bootstrap 4 JS, and I need the JavaScript as well. Okay, so let's link up and come back. So here as you can see it, I already linked up that, as you can see, and this is the jQuery file, and that I use that CDN here, and this is the CDN of Bootstrap 3. Okay, and let's take one custom JS as well. So this is the CSS file, and let's take one JS file as well, new file, that I'm giving the name as script.js. Okay, link up it as well. So for linked up, script tagged, in between this script you have to mention that src, and src should be script.js. the script file, add it, save it. So you can see the style.css is also properly added and script.js also should come. Okay, yeah, you can see the script.js also linked up. So now just change the title name as Bootstrap 3 sidebar. Okay, now let's come back to the body. So take a div and id name here I am giving as wrapper, close it, and another div class should be overlay, close it. Now let's take the nav and the class should be navbar. Now navbar inverse, because I want that black background like that, and navbar fixed top, because I want this navbar icon should be fixed on the top when scrolling in your website also, like that. Let's give some ID for modify later. So ID I am giving that sidebar wrapper. Okay, and yeah, I forgot one thing, I have to close that side wrapper, and role, the role should be navigation. So let's close it. Now take that another list items, so you will, and the class should be nav and sidebar nav. Close it. Now I have to take that list item, I mean li tag items. You can see my website. Now what I have to do, when I click on it, here that is the brand. Okay, and this is all this nav items, I mean this list orders. So take one list icon and mention it as a brand. Okay, I have to highlight it little bit. So there is a Bootstrap predefined class named as sidebar brand. Okay, so just come back to code editor again. So take li tag and the class should be sidebar brand. Close it. In this, take anchor tag, should be empty. I'm giving that hash icon, and in between write my website, I mean this channel name. Save it. Check it how it's look like now. So you can see nothing is displaying properly. Okay, only this web issue tips is come here. I have to mention maintain proper CSS and everything. So let's come back again. Take multiple li tags. and close them. In this li tag, take anchor tag. Let's copy it sometime because I need so many times. So copy and paste it. Sorry, here. Now use that multi cursor. Take the anchor tag, size ref should be hash. Close the anchor tag. Okay. Now mention home here. After that, about us. After that, portfolio. After that, team. Now let's take the drop down one. So in between this li, take a class called dropdown, and in between this anchor tag, that href should be hash and class should be drop down toggle, and data toggle should be drop down, and here after that take that submenu item, items. Now take a span and class should be giving cut. Close it, and here I am wrapping that drop down heading. Close it. Let's check how it's look like. There will be nothing. You can see it's coming like that. Okay, there is nothing proper alignment or something. Okay. So after this drop down heading, after ending this anchor tag, take another eval tag, and the class should be drop down menu. Okay, and in drop down menu, role should be menu. Now take that li class. In this class should be drop down header. Actually close the span here, no need to mention here anything. Here let's mention that ul, and class will be drop down header. In this drop down header, let's mention that drop down heading. Whatever you want to mention the drop down heading, you can specify here. After that, take another li tag, close it, and take multiple anchor tag. Let's copy it sometime. Paste 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So here use the multi cursor. So sorry, a h step equal to, I am keeping it empty, close it, and here write that submenu. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save it and check it how it look like. So when I click, yeah, it's working now, but it's not working. I'm looking properly, but it's working anyhow. Okay. Now let's come out of this drop down menu and copy it once. So I come in outer menu, means the main menu, means this one, and I just come out from this side, sub menu. Okay. So here write another two things like service, service. I have to write in anchor tag, and here contact. Okay. So now what to do? Let's check. Yeah, it's working properly. Now just come out of this navbar. Okay. And now I have to take another div. Div class should be page content wrapper. Content wrapper. Close it. So now takes that bottom of the toggle. Okay. So take the bottom tag and type should be button, LG because I want that bigger button, and let's take a custom class of custom button. Okay. Now data toggle. Data toggle should be of canvas. Okay. Close it. In between, I'm going to take that anchor tag, I tag, and from the front to some page, and this is the code for this one. You can, if you come to my real project, this bottom you can see, and this three dot dash or slash, whatever you can tell for this icon, that is the code of the front person. Okay. So save it. Now let's, after this bottom tag, take another div. class taking as a container. Close it. Now in between take another row. Here I don't want this full width, so I want that I'm taking that call LG8. And I want first 4 should be empty, like call, sorry, here I have to take div, and class will be call LG8, and first 2 sessions would be empty, so total 12, so it will be almost in middle like that. Okay, so call LG offset to here I am taking an h1 tag. Let's write some random text. Sidebar using Bootstrap. After that, take some multiple paragraph. After this, ending of h1. Okay. Now just save it. Let's come to the style set now. First of all, for the body position, I'm giving relative, and overflow X should be hidden. Save it and check it. Okay, that is that. Okay, so nothing is coming, so what I have to do, I have to come to index.html, and I think it should over. Okay, now it's looking like that. So now for the body tag and HTML tag, height should be 100%. And after that, for .nav will be .open, in between anchor tag, so it should be .open. And copy the same thing on hover, and focus. Background color should be transparent. After that, wrapper, padding left, zero, WebKit, transition, all. I'm giving some animation effect, actually download 0.5s and effect I am giving easy. For remaining also I have to do same. Okay, I'll make it 2 times, no problem. Save it and check how it's look like. Okay, till now no change actually. Now for the wrapper, and toggle toggled padding left, I'm giving around 220 pixel. Save it. And now for the sidebar wrapper, till now you can see there is no change almost. Okay, so now for the sidebar wrapper, Z index I am giving 1000 and left 220 pixel. After that width should be 0. Height giving 100%. After that margin left minus 220 pixel. After that overflow Y, overflow should be auto. Overflow X should be hidden. After that background only. I am giving one color has 1A. And after that I am giving the same animation effect like that. So after that close that, save it and check. Okay, but now this toggle icons will not work anyhow. For that I have to add the jQuery later. I'll do it later, no problem. Let's write the another CSS code here. So after that for the side wrapper, WebKit scroll bar, display should be none, display should be should be none. So save it. Now for the wrapper, width I am giving 720 pixel, sorry 220 pixel. Okay, let's give some pace because it's going down. Now for the page content wrapper, page content wrapper with I'm giving 100% and padding top I'm giving 70 pixel. Padding top I'm giving 70 pixel. Save it and check it once. Okay. Do one thing, let's add that what it tell that let's add that JS, because this I can't see that toggle, I mean that navbar, it's hidden, so I have to add the JS properties. After that we will write remaining code of the CSS. So come to the script. So document dot ready function again bracket again double quote has again dollar in between first bracket and quote, but in single quote I have to write data toggle should be equal to of canvas. And after that dot click, I mean on event is dot click. For that function again first bracket dollar first bracket again in single quote id wrapper and dot toggle class is toggled. Okay, close it, give the semicolon here, and after that save it check it's working or not. Okay, okay, right. So let's write the remaining codes of the CSS. So after that, for the wrapper and toggle page wrapper for all this class, I want position should be absolute and margin right I am giving 220 pixel. After that, now I have to design for that navbar class. Okay, I mean all this navbar. So give some space. Sidebar nav. Position I'm giving absolute. Top giving 0 and width I'm giving 220 pixel. I think it should be enough. After that, margin 0 and padding also 0. Padding also I'm giving 0 and list type should be none. So save it and check. Okay, let's look like that now. Okay, so come back to code editor again. Now for the li, I mean for the sidebar nav li. So for this, open that class and here position should be relative, and after that line height I am giving 20 pixel. After that, display should be inline block. Display should be inline block and width I am giving 100%. Save it. Now after that, for the sidebar nav li before, so I have to mention that dot here. Content giving empty, so it should be single quote. After that, position should be absolute. Top I am giving 0, left 0, z index -1 and height should be 100%. After that, width should be 3 pixel. After that, background color. Background color I'm giving has 1C, 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 some grace color, and let's give this some animation effect. Okay, so now actually I done a small mistake here. Yeah, this dot, I mean there should be no space actually. I mean what the mistake, I think you can find out. I mean if I come here and refresh the page, when I click, this navbar actually get, I mean this icon get hidden. Okay, so actually this is not working. When you remove the space and save it, this will work. You can check it now. Let's refresh it. Yeah, you can see it's worked perfectly now. Okay, right. So now you can see in my original actually in original website, you can see there is some color is there in the nav items. Okay, I mean in elite items, in the background, when I hover on it, there's some background color is coming. Okay, so let's make it. So come to my code editor, and in CSS I have to mention sidebar nav, and between li first child anchor tag, so that color should be white, and background color I want some gray color. Okay, the code of the color is 1A, 1A, 1A. Okay, it's like a black color like that. This color is like that. Okay, so after that, again sidebar nav li nth child and child number 2 before background color let's give this save it and check. For the first item, the background color should come now. Refresh it. See, some background color, this pink color is coming here. Okay, so do the same for the remaining, I mean for another child also. So just copy it. Now change them. Seven, 8 and 9. Okay, so it's done here. So save it and check. I think for everyone it should come after refresh, and for the submenu also it's coming. Okay, So after that dot sidenav sidebar nav li in display should be block, color I'm giving as DDD, and text decoration I'm giving none, and padding pixel, 15 pixel, 10 pixel, 30 pixel. Okay, save it and check it once. Okay, so after this I forgot to mention another something. For that sidenav, so sidebar nav li hover before comma dot sidebar nav line dot open hover before with I'm giving 100%, and here I have to give some animation effect also. Save it, refresh it, see this effect now. Okay, now third open it. Sidebar a hover comma active, sorry I have to mention the dot here, after that focus after that dot open, li dot open anchor tag, copy it also, and again the same thing, means hover, comma, active, and focus. For them, color, text decoration should be none, and background color transparent. Save it and check how it's look like now. Okay. Now I have to design for this brand session something. So dot sidebar nav in between side brand height. I'm giving like 65 pixel. After that, font size I'm giving 22 pixel, make it 70. And line height I'm giving like 46 pixel. Save it, check it now. Yeah, it's look good now, this brand. So now for the drop down menu, means it's not looking good here. If you come, you can see it's not looking good and this color got all masked. Okay, for the drop down menu I have to now made some CSS change. Again, sidebar nav, drop down menu, drop down, that's menu, sorry, menu. For that position I'm giving a relative width, I'm giving 100%, padding 0. After that, margin 0. After that, border radius 0. Border none. After that, background color now, box shadow also none. Okay, to save it. After that, for the custom bottom, means for this one I have to change something. Okay, it's coming perfect now. You can see it like my original project only. It's coming perfect almost. Now I have to make some change here. As you can see here, there is when you hover, some color gets changed and all. So for this custom bottom session I have to change something. Sorry for some background noise, some construction noise is going on actually. Okay, so for the custom button, margin left I am giving like 15 pixel, and color white, and background color gray. Deep gray. Dim gray, sorry. Now for the same thing for hover. For the hover, margin left giving 15 pixel, and after that color I am giving red, and background color I am giving as black. Okay, so now we can save it and check once how it's look like. Yeah, it's perfect. You can see when I hover, it's looking like now normally the background is gray and the color is red, and when I hover, it's working perfectly now. Okay, and the padding also come, and it's totally responsive also. You can see it, and it's working perfectly. This is my original project. Like that, it's also coming perfectly. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this video, please like and share this video, and if you have any doubt, you can just write me in the comment section, and I'll give whole the code in my video description. I'll give a link of Google Drive, from there you just download it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. I'll soon back with another interesting video tutorial.